welcome, my lovely people. Welcome back to today's live streaming. I welcome you all to today's live streaming. Welcome back. I still remain your classic ZIZARA TV. I welcome you all to this wonderful program, Igbo Amaka. Stay tuned as we learn today's lecture. I welcome you. Welcome back. Welcome. Yeah, straight to today's lecture. Oh, we are moving straight to today's lecture. I would have loved us to recap what we, but as I can see in my live stream, so I think it's better we move to today's lecture. Let's move to today's lecture. Welcome back. Today, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Welcome. I welcome you. I welcome you all to today's wonderful lecture. Don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Don't forget to tell me where you are watching from, okay? So let's move to today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss about greetings. Greetings in Igbo language. Ekele na Igbo, n'asụsụ Igbo. We are going to learn today how you greet in Igbo language. Otu esi ekele ekele. Ekele means greeting. Ekele means greeting. So we are going to learn how to greet in Igbo language. And don't forget to share this live stream. Share so that other people enter. May you be blessed. Today we are going to talk about greetings. How do we greet in Igbo language? How do we greet in Igbo language? How do we greet in Igbo language? Very important. It will help you to know how to communicate. How to communicate in Igbo language. Very necessary, okay? So we are moving into the first thing. We're going to learn how to say good morning, welcome, and all the rest of them. And I hope you are holding your book and your pen with you so that as we do it, you'll be jotting down the things, and after you go through them, you'll be able to learn it faster. So how do we say good morning in Igbo language? How do we say good morning in Igbo language? I think I will reduce it a bit so that it will be entering. Let me reduce it to 28. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning in Igbo language. How do we say good morning? Good morning is ụtụtụ ọma. ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. That is good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Then welcome. Welcome. How do we say welcome in Igbo language? Welcome. You say no. No. Remember, no. If you were there, or you can go back to the video we made on the alphabet in Igbo language. We'll have the O sound. This is the O sound, and then we'll have the O sound. The O sound is the one when you see the O, you write the O, you write something like dash under the O. That is the O sound. When you write O, then you write you do dash under the O. That is O sound. So this is it's not supposed to be no. No. The two O's, you put dash under them. For example, like this. For example, like this. This O sound. O sound. So these two O, you have to put dash under it, making it O. No. No. How are you? How are you? How do you say it in Igbo? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Please don't forget to tell us where you are watching from, please. Don't forget to tell us where you are watching from. Tell us where you're watching from, please. Tell us where you are watching from, please. How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Then another one is thank you. Thank you means imeela. 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 Then you can say goodbye, well done, keep it up, means daalụ. Goodbye. Well done. Is daalụ in Igbo. Is daalụ in Igbo. Daalụ. Daalụ. Daalụ means goodbye or well done. Well done. Daalụ. Well done. Daalụ. Well done. Daalụ. Daalụ. Well done. Dalo. Then we have sorry. Sorry. Sorry means ndo. Ndo. Sorry. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night means kachifo. 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 That is good night. Kachifo. Then we have, what is this? What is this? What is this? Gịnị bụ nke a? Gịnị bụ nke a? Gịnị bụ nke a? Then in Igbo, we have in English language, you have who, where, what. These things are questions. They are words that come with questions. What, who, where. Then when you want to say who in Igbo language, if you want to say who, you say onye. Onye. Ebe in Igbo language. Ebe in Igbo language is where. Gịnị. Gịnị in Igbo language is what. 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 Okay. So now we are going to take them one after the other. One after the other. We are going to take them one after the other. Today I don't want the teachings to be too much so that you'll be finding it difficult to understand. It's better we do it small. When we pick small, you learn. The next day we'll pick another one small, you learn, so that it won't be too big or too much for you. So now today we are talking about the greetings in Igbo language. Where we say, okay, we'll start with good morning. Good morning. The first one is good morning, which is ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Mommy, ụtụtụ ọma. Then when you want to say welcome, you want to tell somebody welcome, you say no. Remember I told you the O sound supposed to have a dash under it. You say no. No. Then when you want to say how are you? How are you? You say kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? When you want to say thank you, thank you, you say imeela. Imeela. Email. When you want to say goodbye or you want to say well done, you say dalo. Dalo. Although some people when they want to say thank you, use dalo as thank you. Email dalo. You can also say when you tell somebody thank you with dalo. But the main thing is email. Well done, dalo. Sorry. Sorry means ndo. 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 Good night. Good night means kachifo. Daddy, good night. Daddy, kachifo. Kachifo. When you want to say, what is this? What is this? Gene bukwanka. Gene bunka. When you want to say, means who. So you want to say this. Gene bunka. Gene bunka. Gene bunka. I made a mistake somewhere. This where ebe is supposed to be. I changed it. I turned it upside down. This is where, and this is what. This is what. Okay. Ebe. Ebe. Ben. Guinea. So when you say who is onye, where? Remember I said this. Once you use the who is this. Remember it is bunka. Then now who is this? You will not say onye bu. Who is this? You know, this one I are talking of human being. It should no longer be onye bunka. You can say onye bunka. This is human being. But when you are saying what is this, you are talking to a thing. It's not a living thing. You can say gene bunka. But since who is used to express a human being, you now say who is this? Will no longer be nka. It will be onye bu onya. Onye bu onya. Now, today's lecture is not going to be too long. It's a very simple thing. As I've written it down, it will be very nice if you write them out on screen so that it will be very, when you open it, you'll be able to get it. Good morning. Welcome. No. How are you? Email. Thank you, emailer. Goodbye or well done. Dalo. Sorry. Ndo. Good night. Kachifo. What is this? Kenebunka. Who? Onye. Where? Be. What? Guinea. So today we'll have to call it a day today. Next week, we are going to have another wonderful lectures on We are going to talk about the names of animals. Names of animals next week. And then maybe we'll look for another wonderful thing to discuss in Igbo. Just like I told you, I'll be very glad to see at the comment section what you would want me to teach you in Igbo language. So whatever you wish that you want me to teach in Igbo language, feel free to comment at the comment section. Hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to my Facebook channel. It's almost the same name. Classic ZIZARA TV. Classic ZIZARA. Then do well to follow me, like, and share my videos. See you next week, Saturday and Sunday, same time on Accessible Amaka. Thank you and bye-bye. Bye.